Chris Young here with Enritsu Infoviz, and I want to talk for just a second on our standard XR75 platform. Today we're going to review some of the standard features from a cleanliness and breakdown standpoint. First thing to notice is all the surfaces external are angled to allow water to run off during the cleaning process. It's a very nice brushed finish with nice seal welds. Today we're going to focus on the conveyor and cleaning process. So the first step is to remove the main key. We're going to take off the door. Again, there are nice lifting handles internal. Put that aside. Then the curtains, again, this is a standard feature on the XR75, are removable. And pull out the second one. Now these external items we could always put into our sanitation tank or soak tank, or we could clean them in place here if we wanted to as well. But now these happen to be extension covers. So you just lift those up if they're supplied with your unit. Then the tail pulls up. The belting can come right off in your hands. I'll go ahead and remove that. Again, I can put that in my soak tank. Now we have the end pulleys. We have, all of this is removable. So I'm going to pull the roller out. Pull out the roller on the other side. Now we're going to remove the two tail assemblies. I'm going to show you a feature of this as well. So this will come out. Underneath is our idler roller. That as well just pops right out. Again, I can pull out the other roller. So now I have full access to the internal cabinet. We'll notice as well that this is a full polished cabinet everywhere in the food contact areas. There are no hanging items, so the cleaning, sanitation is very easy to do. And I just want to point out that this happens to be equipped with a solid frame. That is an option on our machines. And then there are options as well for standard feet or sanitary feet, with or without bolts to bolt it onto the floor.